So today I'm going to show you how to make these little burlap roses. So I'm using a 1.5 inch ribbon, and I start by making a triangle and then taking that corner piece of the triangle and rolling it in until it looks like this. And then I always add a little dab of glue just to hold that little roll in place, just a tiny bit of glue. So then you just fold over that top piece and hold on to it. And this is where we start to create our rose petals. So this part can be a little bit tricky, but I found it best just to hold on to the center of your rose with your thumb as you twist the ribbon around with your other hand. This allows you to keep the rose flat while also creating your outer rose petals. So it's just a method of stretching out your ribbon and then just twisting it behind your rose. So it's more of like a tucking method, but you'll just keep twisting and tucking it underneath your rose until you get your rose as big as you want it to be. So this is how mine looks on the back. You can see the center of the rose on the back of it. Once you have it to the size you want, you'll just cut off the ribbon and then just tuck that under. I usually use that piece to cover the center of the rose. And then to secure it, I just add some hot glue underneath that tuck piece on the back as well as each layer, and this will keep the flower together. You'll just need to place something heavy on top of it to hold it flat until it's dry. I know it's a little ridiculous using my paint for this, but it's heavy and it's the perfect size, so it holds it together really well. And this is how they look once they're all complete.